Hey guys, welcome back to another RC Daily video. In this video I will be installing my new parts that I bought. Just some steering housings, links and drive shafts. So I'm going to start with the drive shafts. Bought these on eBay, 25 bucks I think. They're a bit better than the old ones I had. So I'll put them on and see how they go. Right, so I'm just going to put this in here. Put that on that side. Like that. So now that I've got that one in, got the rear drive shaft in, I'm just going to go and do the front because the front's pretty much exact same as the back. So I'm just going to test, see if the drive shafts work. Might have to put some grease on them, but should be all good. Now the next thing I'm putting on is these steering knuckles here and these housings. And then after I do that, it will be the links. So here we got the steering housings. These were also off eBay. Aluminium. They should be better than the old ones. So put them on. Yeah, they look pretty good. I'll just screw them on and I'll be back. I'm just screwing them on now, and they're actually Phillip head screws. So now they're on. We've got the steering knuckles. I'll just show you putting the bearings in and that. So in the back here, we've got this big bearing that just slides in there. And then in here we've got the smaller bearing. Slide in there. Now that they're both in there, we then put this piece on. Then that can go on there. But before we put that on, we've got this. So that just goes. It goes through here into that big bearing. That clips in, and then you're right to put that on there. Then we put these little housing pieces in these holes, which can be a bit tricky. Like that. And then I'll put the other one in. And now that I've done that, I can put this on. And then I can screw it on. Like that. Now that they're on, I can connect the steering arm to the steering knuckle I just installed. Then I'm just going to screw the steering arm into the steering knuckle. Then I'm going to put this little pin, this little metal pin, put it just in this hole so that the hex hub can go on. And then I'm just going to get my little grub screw. Screw the hex on. And this side's done. That's all. So, yeah, I'll just go and do the other side. And then, last, we will do the links. So I now have both sides done. And, they work pretty good. So, onto the 4-link suspension. So I got the last links in. Just had to do them bolts back up. So that's it for the video. That's me installing all my new parts. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and also share the video to people that may want to know how to do all this. And yeah, see you in the next video.